Yo, what up? It's your boy Breezy with Shift Culture back again. We had another show. It's official. This is Forward of Kendall, and we are at the 60th anniversary celebration. Crazy Mustangs out here. We're talking about Shelby, GT500. Got Shelby wrapping up right behind the photographer. This is madness, y'all. If you are not here, you missed out. Keep up with Shift Culture, keep rocking with your boy, with the whole team. We got crazy whips out here. My man Triple D has got his GT500. We're gonna take a quick look and we'll see you in the next clip. Hi, we are here with my man Triple D. He's got the GT500 and Ken, the owner of Palm Beach Dyno. He's done all the work on it. We want to talk a little bit about what's in it. So Ken, tell us what's all in the car.
It's basically a culmination of my car. Already on my car, just the factory supercharged, ported, smaller pulley, cold air kit, exhaust, pretty much everything we can possibly do to maintain the factory supercharged. So this setup on the small CX1100, it'll make close to that at the wheel.
Wow.
You know, well over that at the crank. We're calling it the crank number, but it really makes that at the wheel.
Wow, wow.
Yeah, dyno numbers came in around 1,050.
Yep.
1,050. Wow.
And another cool part that we don't ever talk about hardly is on 93 octane, it'll make almost 900.
Wow.
On 93.
So you hear that? No E85, y'all. We don't even have to go there. 93 octane. That's what's up. So, Mr. Triple D, what are you planning on doing at the track? What kind of numbers you want to do at the track?
We did our first track day last Friday. Still learning how to launch the car. Got it at about 10.8, but I know others, once I can get it launched, I'll be in the 9.
We're going to have to take him to the track.
Yeah, you're going to have to
Okay.
give him
Give him a little
teach me how to launch
Yes.
this.
Yeah, we should be in the mid-9s easy.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And on a good day, a low 9s.
Nice.
Definitely.
So y'all hear that? 10.8s, we're getting down into the 9s. So beware, because it's going down at the track near you. Shift Culture, we're coming out. We're going to be in full effect. We're going to eat at the track. Cannot wait to see you there.